Hey there! In this video, we're going to show you how to enable auto-download for documents on WhatsApp while roaming. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your important documents are automatically downloaded when you're on the go. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the top right of the page. Step 3. Select Settings from the options. Step 4. Tap on Storage and Data. Step 5. Look for the Media Auto-Download option. Step 6. Tap on when roaming from the available choices. Step 7. Now, let's enable auto-download for documents. Simply mark the option for documents. Step 8. Finally, tap OK to save your changes. That's it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your important documents are automatically downloaded when you're roaming on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy seamless document auto-downloads on WhatsApp when roaming.